We're going to where? We're going to which place? To the rivers. We will cross the rivers. We are here, guys, at Gloucester, New South Wales. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will show you the places here in Australia. We are here now at Gloucester, New South Wales. Now we are going to the river. We will cross the rivers. How many rivers maybe?
About 5.
4 rivers. Too much. Very hot here. 30 degrees. Okay guys, I'll show you later. Thank you for watching. To all the viewers that didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell. You will be updated when I upload new videos. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Mwah! Mapreskuhan naman yung mata namin ng init kasi ngayon guys. Yan ang mga daan, mga views. Ayan ang views guys. Ayan siya, nagda-drive kami. Sobrang laki dito sa Australia guys. Sobrang laking lupa. Wala mang gaano mga bahay. Kahit siguro ang buong Pilipinas dito. So, ano pa? Malaki pa rin ang sa New South Wales na to. Punta ka sa South Australia, Western Australia. Lalong malaki. Ayan, ano yan siya? Rancho yan dyan guys. So, ayan. kabundukan, guys. Ayan, tinan mo yan, napakaganda talaga, oh. What do you call this mountain? That's the Bucket's Way. They called it Buckets Way.
Call it the buckets.
Buckets. Not way. The buckets. So, wow. Aboy! Yun na. Buckets. The buckets. The hills. The buckets. December naman guys, December 28 lilipad kami, papunta kami ng Tasmania. Abangan nyo guys, magbablog din ako doon para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda dito sa Australia. Yung Tasmania naman, yung pinakamaliit na state dito sa Australia, kasi ang Australia 6 states, New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, at Tasmania. Tasmania ang pinakamaliit na state. Yan guys. May idea kayo.
A few moments later.
Guys, di pa rin kami nakarating doon sa rivers. Yan mga daanan namin dito. Yun yung buckets eh. Ayan. Yan yung buckets. Ayan guys. Very nice. Oh, see that? Oh, see. Ayan, mga ano yan, mga house farm yan. Rancho. Uy. Huwag tayo sa gilid kasi ano. Yan na lang. Ayan, papatayin ko na naman guys, mga ilang minuto. Papakita ko sa inyo yung river. Okay. Tatawid na tayo sa ano guys. Ayun na, mayroon nang nakabikini. Kasi hindi ko na kinunan, baka magalit. Ayan ang river guys. Tingnan mo, ang ganda-ganda. Oh. Wow. Ang lamig-lamig ng tubig. Yay! Oh, galing. Galing guys. Yan yung river. Yung isa na mamaya. Patayin ko muna guys ha. Oh, that's... Ayan ang kabayo. That's the horse. Yan, malapit na naman tayo guys doon sa pangalawang sapa. So, medyo nasa kabundukan kami kasi tinan mo ang daan. Hindi masyadong maganda. Okay pa rin naman kung kumpara na doon sa bundok sa atin sa Pilipinas na lubak-lubak. Ito okay naman. At papaano. Ito na yun guys. Ang pangalawang rivers. River number 2. Ayan guys. River number 2 yan. Tingnan mo, ganda. Sarap maligo sana. Kaso guys, ano, ang lamig-lamig ng tubig kahit na summertime, kahit na mainit ang panahon, pero ang tubig sobrang lamig. Alam mo, naalala ko yun yung ganyan sapa. Kasi nung maliit pa ako, kami,
We call them forwards over here.
Ha?
Forwards.
Fords? Okay. Ano, yung pumupunta kami sa sapa dati nung maliit pa kami, yung ang tawag sa Bisaya na manikop. Yung nanguhuli kami ng mga ano, kuyampi. Mga talangka ba guys sa Tagalog, kuyampi sa Bisaya. Ayan ang river, pangatlo, river number 3. Yay! Nice! Ayan ang mga baka. Punta kami sa mga rancho, pasyal. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view.
You give it a wash on that one?
Yun yung river number 3. Yung dinaanan natin.
Did you give your truck a wash on that one? Go through quick?
Mamaya ulit ha. Ayan guys. daw.
Another one up here.
One, last one more.
Yeah, then we got another one.
Okay. Ganda yung mga bundok. River number 5, guys. Ayan, river number 5. Ayun. Diba? River number 5. Oh, 5 na yung nadaanan namin. Ayan noon, dito kami nagtambay kami. So we're going to sit down there? O na? No, maybe no? Ay, nako, ganda. Ganda. Diyan mo yung mga fine trees nila, guys. So, ang ganda. Ayan. Oh. Guys, kami guys. Yan, mga kasama ko. Yan, nag-birthday ito kasi si Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. Ayan, look at that. The places here in Australia. It's really nice. Ayan. So, we're going to the river now to show you guys. Very fresh to look at the water, but I like to swim. But even it's hot, it's summertime, nearly summertime next month, but the water still very cold. That's the mountain there. That's the lookout. Yeah, oh, look at that. Yeah. That's my partner. Ayan. Wow! I don't wanna go there. Island there, oh. Pupunta siya dun sa ilog. Cold, lab. Many flies here. Yeah. Cold. And see, I will touch the water if it's cold. You can see. Yeah, nice. Not really cold. Daddy there. We are 5 here. Karen, Mom, Alan, Daddy, and me. After our lunch, then we decided to come here, you know. Look at the pine trees. Yeah. Very nice up here. Yeah. See that? They want to walk on the water because it's very fresh. Nakaka-fresh ng feeling. Ako takot sa araw. Ayaw kong mainitan pero sige lang kasi gusto ko mag-vlog. Yan yung bundok, guys. Ito naman yung lookout nila. Sila Mommy. Daddy there, oh. He went back to the car. He can't stand the sun. Yeah, I will show you the mountain there. Look at that. See? find this. It's our cars there. Yeah. Yeah. Parang nakarating na rin kayo dito guys pag nakikita nyo itong mga pinapakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan there. Yan. Yan guys. Ang init. Sobrang init. Nako. Nakakasunog ng balat. Pero dahil Asian ako, hindi ako nasusunog. Pero sila nasusunog ng sa sunburn sila. Tago ako dito sa lilim guys. Tatago ako kasi ano ang init. Init eh. Ayan guys. Yan. Yan. Ayan, di ba? See that? Oy, iniikot-ikot ko lang. Oh. Oh, di ba? Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload the new videos, and press the thumbs up and share. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Mwah!